All right, here we are. We're about to finish up this last tuning peg, and then we'll get on with the build. So just sit back and watch. So initially, you start rounding off the corners. These were square. You round it off with a rasp. And I use the rasp also to make a little finger divot. These have been very chunky, and I'm not really sure if I'm going to round that off on the sander, take the Dremel to it, or just do that part by hand. And it takes about, well, the first one took me about 4 hours because I wasn't sure how I was going to do it. But then from then on, the second one, I seemed to find the rhythm that kind of worked with me, or worked for me, I should say. And you just so we have worked down from 27/64 to 13/30 seconds. I just wanted to show you how that works, and so, and if you can see, in working out a point, I got to a point where the back end of the peg was a little smaller than the front of the peg. So what we want to do is keep working, but we want to work on the front until they are fairly close to being even. So I'm going to hit the stop or the pause button and just, alrighty, so we're getting down to it. Alright, here we are. Let's try this. Alright, we got a little more fitting to do, but we're getting there. See, I don't know if you can see this here, but as you sand around, there's always, I mean, if it was metal and you were sharpening, you'd refer to it as a burr. But what that is like a little part that just stands out proud of the rest. And the idea of turning it is to keep rounding that down. So let's see here. Oh, we're getting there, but we got a ways to go. We do fit now, completely though. All right. All right, so we're there. I just need to clean up this little back side right here. And all right. All right, so we are there. All right, now we'll move on to the build.